Hi everyone, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial, this time on the urban modeling interface named UMI. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install UMI on your laptop, and I will also show you how you can create your first UMI file and also how to save it. Before we start the installation process, a little bit of background on UMI. So UMI is an urban modeling platform that allows you to evaluate the environmental performance of neighborhoods, but also cities. And this with respect to operational and embodied energy use, neighborhood walkability, access to daylighting, urban food production, and also district level energy supply. In order to run UMI, you need to have Rhinoceros as the environment that you would be operating in, so it's important that you have Rhino installed on your laptop. In order to download UMI, you need to go to the Sustainable Design Lab webpage. There, when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will see there's a download the latest UMI version tab. You click on it and it will download automatically. I also left the webpage link on the video, so feel free to copy paste that as well. Your laptop might show this warning at some point. You can just click Run Anyway in order to launch the installation. As soon as this is done, you can click Finish and then go ahead and open up Rhino. Here, it's important that you open Rhino in metric scale and not imperial so that UMI can be run. In order to have UMI in your toolbar, you can go ahead and type options in the command section above. And if you go to toolbars, you just need to click on it and select UMI. You press OK, and then it should be visible. You can place that toolbar wherever you like. I'm going to place it on the left. In case you want to also have the UMI toolbar visible on the right side of your Rhino interface, you can also just click there on the settings button and make it visible. If you want to create a new UMI file, you click on the UMI icon that is in the toolbar. There's also an option to click on to the help button. It also gives you other tutorials related to UMI. In case you already have a UMI project available, you would choose Open Project. If you're creating a new one, you would click the new project, but also if you want to save something, that would be on the bottom. And on the very right, you can see if you already have other UMI projects on your laptop, they would be listed here. So in our case, we are going to open a new project. By clicking Save, you're now creating your first UMI file. And an UMI file combines your current Rhino file with an SQL database, the weather file, and the template library file with all of the building descriptions, and all of this is then compressed into one file. When this is done, you can see on the right side where the layers are that you have the default layers still in place that are made by Rhino. But at the bottom, you can also see all of the UMI related layers that will be important when you then start setting up your 3D model of the neighborhood that you're investigating. So in order to keep a better overview of the layers that you're actually using, you can delete those default layers if there's nothing on there, so that only the UMI prescribed layers are visible. The last thing is how you save and close your UMI file. So you can go to File at the top left, press Save, and also when you close Rhino, it will ask you if you want to save the changes to your UMI geometry, and then you basically press Yes, and this is how you can safely close your file. That was it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. There I will tell you more about the user interface of UMI.